The Floodbuster pumps out at an impressive 50 gallons per minute. We created this display to show our customers that the Floodbuster will actually pump water out faster than the vacuum can bring it in, which results in zero downtime from waiting for the pump to catch up with the vacuum. The heavy-duty waste and sewage sump pump, combined with the 1.5-inch dump hose, allows the Floodbuster to optimize water flow beyond competitive units that use a water flow limiting standard garden hose as a dump hose. The easy-to-access wire mesh basket filter at the top of the tank, combined with the heavy-duty pump that can handle up to 1/2-inch spherical solids, ensures trouble-free operation for long periods of time. The Floodbuster is compact and lightweight with an ergonomic, upright design and large rear wheels for smooth transport even on stairs. It's also easy to load and unload into a work vehicle by a single person. Vacuum connection and pump and vacuum controls are conveniently located on the front of the machine for easy access and operation. The Floodbuster comes standard with 25-foot vacuum hose, 25-foot dump hose with 1.5-inch diameter, a 25-foot twist lock power cord, an aluminum S-bend wand, a squeegee head for hard surface cleanup, and a scalloped head tool for floodwater cleanup on carpeted surfaces. The dump hose connects to the rear of the Floodbuster with a unique and secure quick lock system that can also be used to connect additional hoses to the initial hose for longer runs. The Floodbuster combines a powerful vacuum system with an industrial heavy-duty pump, compact design, and simple operation, all on a single power cord, to give the restoration professional a rugged and effective tool to use to get floodwater out quickly. For pricing and availability, contact us today and we will connect you with your local EDIC dealer.